Wait a minute. You need a trim. Your toenails need to be trimmed, and you swiping? Come on. Are you gonna let me do it or what? You need your toenail. No, no, no. See, I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait, cause you ain't gonna let me do it. This for your toenail. Binks. Nah, you can't wait. See, this how you can't get nothing done with you. Your toenails have to get clipped. Okay? So now I gotta wait till the help come. And I shouldn't have to get no help, little girl. Y'all see that? She don't want the toenails clipped. You can't be doing this. You even get close to her, boy, they're swiping. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Okay, you won today, but when the help come, they help and cut them for me, you're gonna have to let them get cut. Y'all see what Mama trying to do? Mama trying to cut my nails. I ain't gonna let her do that. I like my nails long. So I can scratch Mommy.